Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about this archery glasses. Pilla is the only manufacturer of archery performance glasses. Okay, what do we get when we buy this mask? This one is the MX model, which is the small face with the 35 DC lens. Okay, a cleaning cloth, a manual, a carrying case, and a plastic bag. I already opened this. In fact, this is the second unit. I want to talk something about the lens. The lens is designed to be used to shoot archery. It is designed without a nose piece, which can block some of the target, and the lens is coated so that, if you can see an example here, the red color will appear black. The red color will appear black and the yellow will pop up more. Okay, unfortunately there are flaws. Okay, this is the second unit I've ordered, and as you can see, the coating is terrible. You can peel off. Can you imagine, this thing just arrived this very evening? I put it on and use it once and this happened. This is the replacement glass that I got from the seller. The first one is even worse. I put the picture here so that you can see. So I don't know what to do. So Pilla, please fix this problem, please. That's all.